What's up guys, welcome to another video of Virus Build. My name is Ed and today we're gonna be fixing the calipers because if you guys saw in the previous video, one of the bolts came off and it damaged the whole brakes and it bended the guide pins and stuff like that. But you know, I'd rather just fix them, change them new. This is like 15 years old car already, so the truck, it's a 2005, so might as well just change them. So let's get to it. So this is everything I'm gonna be changing. So I'm gonna have the new brake pads here from Bosch, and then I got my StopTech high performance stainless steel brake lines. So I am gonna be changing the brake lines also, just a little upgrade, you know. I have my bolt for the caliper bracket. Just gotta have them new, you know. Might as well. I'm gonna be doing the both sides. So, and I have my red caliper with the bracket, everything brand new. I know I was gonna, you know, change or rebuild the calipers on mine, but I'm still thinking about it, so I can just sandblast them at work since I'm already working back, and maybe give them away, you know. I'm gonna try to paint them red also, but we'll see. But I am gonna try to restore it because I got the piston and the little boot, you know, that goes around here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And gonna try to rebuild it and see if I can paint them red or black, or you know, but try to give them away or something, you know. But other than that, let's get to it. Alright guys, so first thing I'm gonna do is mount this stainless steel brake line onto the caliper, tying it and everything so I can have it all ready. And then on the truck, I'm just gonna take away the line and the brackets and everything that's mounted onto it, and that's it. So yeah, and this is the number for the stainless steel brake line. If you have like the V6 model or you know, the base, yeah, this is it. I'm gonna be doing a engine swap sooner or later, and we're just gonna change it to a V8. So stay tuned for that video too. But yeah, let's get to this. So there you go guys. It's a 14 for this one, and yeah, I installed it quick. It was kind of, I couldn't turn it on, but I got it to do so. It's pretty simple, you know. And then just gotta take off this one on the other side. For that, I installed it right now because I don't want to be right there like screwing it on and then brake fluid coming out. I'll probably suffer for this one, but you know, it's gonna be not this one and that one, you know. Just might as well just have it on right now. That way I just gotta suffer on this one, and that's it. I'm gonna do it for the other one too, just so I can have both ready. And I might lubricate a little bit more on these, the guide pins, because it doesn't look like they did it. but yeah, I'm just gonna put more. But other than that, let's do it. So guys, this is what happened, so you guys can see. It's stuck in there. It ate my brake pad. You guys can see that. And yeah. Oh shit. Anyways, I'm gonna fix it. Look at the guide pin right there. So the brake line, just follow it all the way to it goes up there. So that's what we're gonna do. But first we're gonna unbolt it from here and from here and take this off. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so there you go. It was simple. You just push this in, this little tab, and then it comes out. It's a 10. It's a 10. And I forgot this one, which is a 13. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit and slap the new ones on. So you guys wanna see how they look. The piston all bent. It got stuck. My guide pin all bent. Yeah, I'm just gonna take off this one if I could, and this one. Look at that. Good thing I'm replacing them. Look at that. I wonder if I can take it off. I doubt it. So that's pretty much it. Look, my truck needs a lot of work, so it needs the ball joint and, well, the control arms, the sway bar links, the inner and outer tie rod. So it needs a lot of work. The shocks, I'm not worried about the shocks right now, or the spring, because when I drop it, I'm just gonna change the whole thing. So, you know, different thing. And these are the brand new ones. So yeah, let me go get the other stuff and we'll put them on. Alright guys, so this kit, only the stainless steel brake line only came with the zip ties and this little chingadera right here, like the homie Hector says. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just gonna, I guess, zip tie it over here and zip tie it over here, I guess. I'm not too sure, because this one is like the factory, so I think when you buy the new one it comes with the bracket and this and the other stuff. So yeah, I'm not sure I can take these off because they're like onto it. You see that? And this one I can't take it off, which is weird because as this one goes in here and then just pulls it on. Or hold on, let's see. Oh, so this one fits here. Oh. So I guess the bolts I'm not gonna use. But yeah, let's give it a try and see how it goes. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so my bad, you guys were like right here, you guys couldn't see. It was just these two bolts that I was tying. So they have red thread locker already coming from where I bought them in Amazon. And yeah, I need to torque them to 130 foot-pounds, which that's what I read on forums, I guess. And the sad thing is that my what do you call that, torque spec or torque wrench got messed up. It broke, so I need to go get a new one. But right now I'm just gonna get a breaker bar and try to give it at least 100 foot-pounds right there, because this one came off, the bolt came off and it got messed up. So these guys gotta be like super tight on here. That's why they have red thread locker on them. And it damaged my rim. So you guys can see that right here. You guys want to see that? See that? And right here, that and that. So it was a pretty hard hit. I'm not too worried about these rims because I'm gonna change them later on. But yeah, let's get this finished already. Just gonna torque it by hand, but real tight though, with the breaker bar, because this little ratchet right here is not gonna do. And then I'm just gonna add the brake line and then figure out where to put the zip ties right here, and that's pretty much it. And then bleed the calipers and the system, and that's it. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna show you because it's gonna be the same process as right here. Then we'll bleed the system, and and we're good to go. So let's get it. Alright guys, so I lubed the guide pins already, so I had to take them off from the caliper because it wasn't gonna fit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we're gonna install this, and let's see how we're gonna mount it. Oh, but first I need the brake pads. Wow, can't believe this. So yeah, let me go get the brake pads now. Wow, so why didn't you guys tell me? Alright guys, so I found a 19, so which is even better. And then I'm gonna use my 19 wrench, and I'm gonna put this one here, and then just tighten this one. You see? Okay, good. And then there you go. Just snug, not too tight. And then this one, oh, put this two in there. I don't want to break the boot because then it's going to be a pain. Okay, and there you go, just like so, not super tight. And then we're going for the right here, the brake line. It wasn't leaking too much because I already leaked everything it had. So we're gonna install it like this, like so. And bring this one down here. Alright guys, so I just loosened a little bit on the caliper side, and then it just went in. Try to make it straight, not sideways or so you don't strip the threads. And then I'm holding it with the 17 down here and the 14 up here. This one I'm stopping and this one I'm turning. So there you go, see? And it's going in smoothly, not super hard. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just need to show you, because then there's people that tell me that how come I don't show them. But yeah, I'll let this let me just be done with it, and then I'll show you guys. So there you guys have it. I tighten it super tight, and then right now I'm gonna add this, I guess right here, and then just zip tight over here and zip tight this together so it doesn't be moving around. And that's pretty much it. Then we're just gonna bleed it and we're good to go. Do the other side and then do a quick test. So I'll let you guys know when I'm done. Check that out, guys. Well, that's how I did it. You guys can see that. See that? I didn't put anything there because it's like pretty hard, so I don't think it's gonna be moving around. I just zip tie that, and I just put the little thing right here. But yeah, new and old, all messed up. I'm gonna try to see if I can restore them and then give them away. I have the other one right there, ready to go into the other one. I'm just gonna, I guess, bleed it right now. Or actually, I'm just gonna do the other side and then try to bleed one and then bleed the other one, because the other one is good. It just didn't got messed up like this one, but I'm still gonna change it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to bleed this one right now. Alright guys, so you guys can see I already bled the brakes. There's a stainless steel line and a new caliper on. I had to mount this right here because it was too short and it didn't fit, so I did this one right here. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be a problem. And yeah, so we're gonna slap it on. I'm gonna take you guys for a ride and let me enjoy my my truly drink mango type. So just a little sip, guys. Oh wait, don't drink and drive, so just gonna not drink. Catch you on the road. Alright guys, so I didn't get to show you guys me driving it, and it feels firm and super nice. Feels like the same shit, but you know, still, I just needed to replace the caliper because it was messed up and I couldn't drive it, so it was like backed out. But look at that, You can see that red calipers, and then in the back I have drums, but I'm trying to switch over to discs, so I need to find a rear axle thing that has discs. But other than that, it's looking great. Super great in the front though. So the next thing I'm gonna try to do already, I already locked it. I'm gonna try to take off this cover, which looks nasty already, and let's see, I'll get it right here. And then next thing I'm gonna try to do is clean everything right here, as you guys can see, and try to paint this like red. I have the door panels, which I know I have them right there. It's from LT Silverado. So mine has power windows because I installed it with the sunroof. And I'm gonna try to paint those red, and then like red and black on these. So you like red right here, like black on the outline right here of this, like black on this, red, and then like black right here, and then red, and then black on the emblem, like the little logo thing, and then the seats red. So I'm gonna take off the center console, or the middle seat, and then build a console with subs in here. So it's a pretty good project I'm gonna try to do. But other than that, this is it. So please like, subscribe, and give it a like. Let me know what else I need. And yeah, follow me, guys. I'm gonna try to do a V8 swap already. So another thing I forgot to tell you guys is I'm gonna try to rebuild the calipers. So I'm gonna try to sandblast them, make them nice, because I have everything, the little piston, the boots, everything. I was gonna try to rebuild it, but this thing happened, so I had to get new ones. And if anybody wants them after I'm done fixing them and rebuilding them, let me know, and I'll send them to you with the hardware and the little copper washers. And you know, let me know. Just subscribe and stay tuned when this is gonna be, so I can tell you guys when they're ready. I'm gonna try to start the process today. Once I get up to work on my free time, I try to do it. So just like and subscribe just to you guys, so you guys can know when I'm gonna be done with them, so then I can just raffle them off or pick a winner, whatever. I'll try to tell you guys to comment below, like a hashtag or something like that. But yeah, guys, let me know if you guys are interested. They're for a V6 Silverado base model, so you know, you gotta know what you have, because I think it's different for every model or something like that. But yeah, or you could just sell them, you know. But yeah, guys, so peace, bye.